Which sentence in the paragraph is missing a verb? Sentence 1, Sentence 2, Sentence 3, or Sentence 4? In order to answer this question, we need to be clear on what exactly defines a verb. A verb is a word that describes an action, for example, run or eat, a state, for example, is or belongs, or an occurrence, for example, happen or begin. With this in mind, let's go through our sentences and see if we can locate a verb in each one. We actually see two verbs in sentence 1, means, an action verb, and is, a state verb. As this sentence clearly isn't missing a verb, we can mark this choice off and go on to the next one. Without even delving too much into it, sentence 2 already sounds wrong and clunky to our ears. The geomagnetic disturbances twice as likely in spring is missing a key word, a state verb. To correct this sentence, we need to insert the word are in it, so it becomes the geomagnetic disturbances are twice as likely in spring, etc. In this case, it's likely that you noted this mistake during your initial read of the paragraph. If this is so, keep in mind that when finding a mistake, make a quick note of which sentence and paragraph you found the mistake in, as it's likely you'll be asked about this later, and this could save you time. As we found that sentence 2 is missing a verb, we can go ahead and mark that as our final answer.